So you're now all warmed up for our big finale. How many of you were here last year? A few of you, so you might remember. We always like to end with a Handel Hallelujah chorus from the Messiah. So if this is your first time, I always try to remind people that you don't have to get it all, but if you concentrate on the word hallelujah, that gets you a really long way, okay? So they will be singing again very strongly up there, so that will help. But do whatever parts you can, and if you actually know the original, sing your parts bravely. They'll be singing those parts. But we've got the written out words and the big tune for each section that you can sing on. Okay? Are we ready?
I can't sit for Hallelujah chorus. Sorry.